As Quinn the Eskimo here, rice fishing. My pre-1840 tent. But got the little Shasta Frontier type stove. I'm cooking. It's the inside, very nasty, very windy, very cold today. Wind chills down to about 17 below. A lot of wind. It's very nasty here. You gotta watch what's going on here. Got the pipe, welding blanket. There's the boys out there. Not too many people out here today, man. It's freaking nasty. But yeah. We're going, man. We're good. Yes, Quinn the Eskimo is me. Kind of like the outfit here today. But we're doing okay. I'll get back to you. Kind of walk in. They're worried about the wind. Kind of a makeshift thing here, but we're doing okay, man. So I'll get back to you. Here's Quinn the Eskimo. We're settled in now. Stove's going good. Draft's good. We got our pot steam in there on top. A little North Peak there. Snow Peak, whatever. But stove's working really good now. Throwing good heat. More than enough for this little tent. Got some friends here.
Will put me on there.
But wind's still blowing. But yeah, man, we're doing good. So see how that wind's blowing. We're warm as toast in here. I'm almost sweating. Got my little tea, a little wood, some water. I'm gonna cook some hot dog and sauerkraut, some potatoes. But yeah, tea's steaming there, water. But we're doing good, man. Pretty good. Worked out pretty good. So I'll get back to you. Now we got to get some fish. We go, man. Cook some food there. A little Praties and sausage. Mashed potatoes. Mine over there. Fire's going good. We're looking good here, man. We're doing real good. The wind's still kicking. But yeah. We have a little lunch now. We got more stuff too. Sauerkraut and hot dog and stuff. So okay. Take it easy.